Ke a kgopela tshwarelo ngwana ka ntshwarele tlhe. Oh, ke a leboga ngwanaka. Ke a leboga.
Hape mosetsana yo monnyane a tshwanne ho hlotla a rerema le mashego go fitlhela nako e. Ha ba bolokega papa.
Maabane ke fumane sengwalo se se rego go swasa batho ba le ba ya go ja dijo tša matele tlabe ba moketeke ngo thabele ngwana geno ga Drake Eunice.
Wonke umuntu manje useyazi ukuthi mina ngakuqhiniswa umuntu wesifazane ngempama.
Awuyaxolisa mfowethu. Hawu, sengayilungisa yonke lento.
You've ruined the company's reputation, Kwezi. These are all business assets. Now, I'm well within my right to step in and force you to step down.
Yabona lo bastard. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngizohlala ngikhamise nje while ezama ukutshontsha inkampani yami.
Kweza ayizokwenzeka lonto. Nami andizuyivumela yenzeke lonto. Kodwa mhlawumbe unepoint. Jonga nje stepping down is not such a bad idea.
Angizwa.
Ngiyacebisa. Okwangoku into egqithayo. Ndingakubambela intambo. Okwangoku.
Unbelievable.
Intoni?
Ingakho kusho ufuna ukuthi ulehasa buyisa amashares. Ngoba ufuna ukuthi one day uphathe yonke into.
Khosikazi. Ndizama ukunceda.
Well, I don't need your help, okay? And angilidinga usizo lalihasa. Ngamane ngife nokuthi ngivumele any of you ukuthi nithathe inkampani yami.
Well, Fika. Yeah. Steve. Stevie. Steve Sabe. Steve. Stevie. Steve Sabe.
Honey. How? Hey, how about uniform today?
Ke tla ya para re ke ya sekolong then ke tla re re polokwane ka change.
Bjale o tšere kae tšhelete ya go reka rokwe?
Ke re go boditša gore ke šomiše tšhelete ka allowance.
Bjale maabane go diretseng ka wena?
Hebana gante ke eng ka diputšo tše dintšintši so?
Arabang ke sebete ya gago. So santse ke no ba worried ka wena.
Ke be ke ile sekolong ke be ke na le mmereko montšho le goreng ke santse ko go dira. Ka moo le bana ba bangwe ne ba nkgopela gore ke ba thuše.
You look, new dresses, we are a lata. Wa le ba lori le ka lekana le wena ke.
Gante Eunice ke eng ka diputšo tše dintšintši so?
Hey. Thoma neng bitse se ka leina wa.
Ke maswabi papa no ba le goreng le ena o ntatofatša ka lotse le goreng nna ke di tsebe.
Papa go ne ntse o mwa itsamega botse ka motho. Ke tsebo ke ema go ne bothata.
Papa go na le bana sheba ba busy ba nkgopela gore ke ba thuše ba busy ba nromela di-message ba mfounela fela nna ke direng. Papa la tseba gore ke nna ngwana wa go loka nna ke tsebe gore wa ya nagana gore ke bolela maaka.
Minisa re boletše ka taba eng?
Papa ke ba ke tshwenyegile ka ena.
Wa tseba o tla wa ntshija letšatši le mola ke le thagaletše. Thanks a lot.
Kwezi Beauty izawuvalwa. So lose sales at a rapid rate. Une-clients zimbini already sesisuse ii-products zakho off their shelves.
Ayikho inkampani engawafeyisa ama-challenges.
Yabona le situation sikuyo le ayifani tu nale kaClement sisuka kuyo. Azifani.
Oh, excuse me. Ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi wena you some big business expert, eh?
I run one of the fastest growing security companies apha kule Gauteng. So uba mna ndingathanda ningasongela isandla hlale phansi ndikubukela untywila nale company le yakho leyo uphethe ngendlela engayiqondiyo.
Oh, you would love that.
No,
No, you would love that. Khona inkampani yami izoxwila bese uyabuya uthi ndixelele.
unenkani ndakagasela wena. Ha, ndohlule.
No, it's fine. Ngiyeka vele nawe ndohlule.
Kanti ndiyohoya ezam ingxaki ndikuyeke wena nezakho ezingadingi ukuxaza. Right? Sala unjalo.
Ke a nagana gore go boima bjang go bolela ka abuti wa ka.
No, ga ona le ka bothata ke a kwešiša.
O sa gopola ge lebe le a rogana.
O ka tlogela.
Ya nka o tlogela ge e le gore wena o busy o worried ka mothakodi. Thusi ke a tsamaya go nyaka se sengwe se le goreng re ka se šomiša kwa pele ko. Ya la mathomo ge re be re separata ke nako e a fetša go nkutswetša phone a tšhaba. Then ka morago wa mongwe wa notlaga ledimo la santa enampile ge re tlo kopana gape ke ge a be a lomile ke nnoga ebile o ka reng wa tlhokofala. Re ile ra tsamaya ra ilo nyaka thuso.
O be a šetše a tlhokofetše ge e le motlogela ke ra ge ile lo nyaka thušo.
Ke gopola bjalo. I mean go bo ka se kgonagale goreng a ka phologa ntho e la galabe le yone.
Ke kgona gore banna o tlhokofetše.
Oh, ke ntate Jackson Ramasebole. Ba ke bomma and then ke mokumagadi wa ka.
I'm sorry, man. Ke botiao. Le rena re nyakile go loba sa mokohle le thabo.
Leano e be e tlo ba mahloko a magolo kudu bile ka gore le letetše leseana. Ene kwa gagwe kere di ka go lebogiša monna. Ke leboga kudu bile ka gore le kgonne phologa gore le tle le kgonne go diša ngwana lena.
Ya
Bana ba buti bona ga bana motho ba ga ba go mo tšere. Ke a leboga le šala ga bose.
Sepela gotse. Mina ngisitshela phela ukuthi mhlawumbe nomuntu ugeni ways nje.
Awumbona mebusweni wena. Uzobejampisa sisi.
Nami ngimbonile but I didn't want to say too much. Next thing nami sengishawa ngempama.
You know, who's Stanley? Usho ukuthi konke lokhu nje bekumahomons.
No uyazi umuntu esifazana okhulelwe unolaka.
Hey. Bona nawe yehlisa kancane phela abantu bangazi bathi sisicala ama rumors ngeboss.
It's not like abantu ababoni.
Yeah, wow. Kupregiswa umuntu lokipita naye. It's not exactly something that you would want to announce.
Yeah.
Why banyana bona ke bona ba ya dineng, the restauranteng, rena re dutse mo ke.
Ngoro wa tshwana no one supports the boy child.
Yes. Ana fit.
Ke na lady.
Oreko. I think part.
Emona, o nya go dia party, ya o hloka stock. Krayona men's conference. Bona, na ke re a re eng matric dance, then re dire after party. Ho ileng gore go tlo tlala stock. So ke re na chocolate, yellow bowl, vanilla, stutla slender. Ka o fela re mo.
Okay, o sharp go fitho nna ka no ya ne. Mara na after matric dance nna ke ya.
Vethu, after party.
Top idea. Hey? That's gonna be so fun. On. On again on. On ya top.
Okay, ora nka sena jwala ba fethu ke tla lebelela sawa.
Bo e ba santse le ba worried ka di exam. O se be di after party tsa le.
When I'm on every time when I sa lo ba live since wa thoma. Take a break, dog. Hey? Ha bona o mna o se tshebile go ta tshwana le ntate wa lete.
So, wa re we tshwara tsang. Lona ke achabi basadi. Wo. O chaba basadi.
What the hell?
What the hell ini? Ayona indlela ukhuluma ne-CEO yakho entsha leyo man.
Wawungazongidakela wena lehasa. Suka ehlelweni sami.
Sorry. Ngiyeko lokhu lebe ngithi ngikutshela ngawo.
Lehasa angeke ngilokho ngiyiphinda-phinda. Suka.
Ukuthi uyayiphinda mzala noma uyiphinda ifuni mina leyo.
Okay.
Kwezi, siyazi ukuthi you're not fit to run this company.
Sihle, ngicela ungibizele i-security.
Yeah.
Yibo. Uzophuma noma uzolinda i-security sizokurhudula la.
Hayi ngiyasho kunala ngiyakhona mina. So sizohlala ke la sibukane emehlweni.
No.
Throw him out.
Well,
Hayibo, ufuna ukulahlekelwa umsebenzi? Ha? Usho phela.
Alinge.
Cela umphumele bhuti.
Akunala ngiyakhona.
Bhuti, cela umphumele.
Hayi wena. Ushumayela bani wena? Baba bangathi baby. Mama bangathi. Ngizoku. Yabona wena. Suka. Ayikaphili. Nje.
Khathele kae?
Ara hona ngale.
Na wa re mo ka ra uniform ba ba dress la pa ile se re fume mo gane. Mr. Q. The girls look amazing.
They do indeed.
Hey.
Ali, le kana dula fase.
What?
Sure.
Le watle. Ke kula ba re wa motho kwa university. Congratulations.
She's made us all so proud. In fact, let's give her a round of applause, all of us. Yeah. Mr. Q.
Ma'am.
Thank you for organizing this. It's lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely.
No. It's a pleasure, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. The girls look excited as well.
Quite.
Then?
Nna ke tla gopela some kind of mild tea with lemon and honey.
Yathi lehasa usigelekeka. Ufihla nje ngamasuti. Ngabe umbonile the way bekabamba that nogada ngakhona. Yeah. But I actually agree with him. Angicabanga ukuthi because he's fit to run this company.
Ayibo, ukhwezi under pressure nalamadoda lawo amniki nje ithuba. Aluke egcika i-leadership yakhe.
Mara there's no amount of pressure. Linga justify ukushaya employee yakho ngembama and then using your power ukuthi uzame to get rid of him. Uyibhuli nje yena.
Is that how you feel?
No. Mina uyazi ukuthi ngisesayidini lakho.
It's fine. Watholile ama-influencers to help with the damage control online.
Actually, I'm working on it.
Work faster. Ngizodinga update in 2 hours.
Okay.
Have you seen Hugos?
No.
Huh?
No?
No.
Hey,
Fika ili kanje.
Ngisebenzi half day namusha. Ngidlala ngawo, uqiqa amashedo manje.
Bese sathi ukubamba nangezandla mina ne security guard kaNkosi lapha eKhozi Beauty. Ngakho ukuthi lo muntu ungibizela i-security.
Solwa nama-security manje. Hey, mina ngikhathele lokuzwa ukukhononda ngokhwezi.
Khononda. Yena ngathi uyakhohlwa ukuthi lama-investment, lama-business lawa engiwa-onayo, they award us this life we're living. That witch is running my company, my investment to the ground.
Then sell your shares then, Lasa.
Uyafana naye, anazi nix ngama-business. Yeah? The beauty industry is a gold mine, in case you don't know. Do you know how much Kwezi Beauty is going to be worth in the next 10 years? Huh?
Oqala ungakhulumi nami ngathi ukhuluma nesiphuphu. Okwesibili, Kwezi Beauty izoba right. Kwezi has been through far worse than this. And you've been giving Kwezi a lot of attention lately. More than your wife.
Nyala ga bana ba ka ntwe re nyakang gore le tsebe is that rena re le tap high. Gore re beile tshepo ya rena ka mkana yona matsogong a lena kere. And we want you to step out there, not only pass your matric, but actually go out there and shine brighter than the stars themselves. I get it. Now, with that being said, okay, go take selfies, capture the moment, do whatever, have fun, okay? Oh, Mr. Q, I was so perturbed when I had to go on to sick leave, and if I get a little relief, you know, you did it. You're so good with these kids.
Ma'am, come on. It's teamwork.
Oh, no, I don't think so. There's something that you're doing. You have a way with these kids, man, you know? And maybe you took it from one of your parents. You once said, principal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mr. Q, I'm sorry. Did I offend you in any way?
Oh, no.
No.
It's okay. It's just that I don't have the best relationship with my parents. And
I see.
It was very tough growing up in that household. They were very tough on me, strict. When I see these kids and the effort they put in, I'm so happy.
So that's the reason why you moved to Johannesburg?
Yeah, I mean, I needed some fresh air, ma'am. So, yeah, man, partly the reason I moved. Because there was also a failed relationship in the mix-up. So I needed to get away from that as well. But Tuff has given me a purpose.
Joburg's loss is our gain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Maybe it's time to take the learners home before their parents worry.
100%. You know what, Mr. Q? Ke bus driver. Gore o tla re tšeela ba bangwe re beela bona toropong, ba bangwe ba beya magaeng a bona. E fela gone jwale, I can see that, you know, there's a bigger number than we expected. I don't know how this is going to work out.
I mean, it's not a problem that I drove here. So I can take some of them in my car.
Are you serious?
Yeah, man.
You proving to be God sent, eh?
Yeah, I'm beating you.
Okay, yes. Okay, let me handle this.
Yeah.
Hey, come on. Still
The online campaign your Restore Kwezi Beauty is doing so well. Hashtag Hands of Kwezi is trending. Abantu sebesesayidini lakho manje.
Sihle.
Oh, ma online sales ayakhuphuka kancane. Nalabantu lebe bablock ama customers sebahambile.
What about excess inventory le buyiswa ama customer?
Unfortunately, most of it angeke nje sikhone kwathengisa.
Where have you been? Ubuye kwenza ngoba thina besisebenza la.
Bese nivele ngasasiqada dokongeza security. Kodwa niyanibona, ni right, yonke into right. Imkile. Wayini?
Namla rega booze and stuff.
And stuff. Ah, it's okay.
Yeah. Bafetu. Re ka spend 500 rand mo jwaleng. O no le tšheka diagolo ka.
Masoa.
What's up, Pops? Tola. We were just talking about studying.
Jackie, will.
That's true. I think we're going to be Maswat. I'm going to be Maswat.
Hey. Principal Alina. Ramacha.
Bafethu. Nna ke nahana hore 500 e reasonable.
Yeah.
And le gopoleng. Ntho e ke sephiri. Le makonono.
Sure, Bafethu man. 5. A o tlo re bora wena. Vai. Okay, on. Bafethu. Awewe. Gorra sharp na re go fa. Tlo na. Sa bereti. 5.
Nabile wena o on or off? O malatela.
Ngiyaxolisa late. Ulukile, ngiyaphela dinner. Kisulele le Mr. Nkosi.
Akadakalo sumthulela uMasangosi. Right? Angibona. Kodwa nokamnandi ba?
But udakala usebenze kanzima epheka. At least inhlabe siphakele kancane.
Kuzazi. Ngifuna ntoni? Unonilawula emsebenzini, ngifuna unilawula nasendlini, ngifuna unilawula oko wena. Awuneli ukunilawula. No, khawunele ba. Ngosi.
Kisule. Ngicela ungithelele ijuice mina sis. Thanks. Oh. Hayibo. Uyaphi nesikhwama mbhemu? Balekele extension.
Dear Jim, I'm all boy. Dear Jim, okanye ufuna ungilawula nala ufuna ngicela ndiyicelele. Nkosikazi, ndicela ukuya Jim. I-right loo nto kwa? Ne? Ubona xa ufuna ndiyilungise boy? Silungisa xa ndibwena. Ina high five.
Right. I don't know why you guys didn't use the bathroom at the mall. Okay, Ash, toilet.
Mr. Kanamoto. Jackie. How? Jackie, leave that alone. Okay,
Jeez, relax. How?
Musibedi, don't even think about it.
Yo.
No, look, it's okay. You play.
Ganyane fela, I mean, kile ha kara lokarate, and after that I just fell in love with the piano.
Try. See? Like that. Natural.
Okay, guys, sharp. Can we leave?
Oh, Naimanyana, can't you see she's still playing?
When are we here to watch a concert go wrong, or are we here to go to the bathroom?
Yo. Yeah, I mean, arabang u nepila re swanetse go sepela.
Okay, yeah, I agree. Let's go. I'm sure your parents are worried sick. Arabang. Hey, if you want to practice, you're more than welcome to come.
Hello, hi. Can we go?
Yes, ma'am.